All right, and we're keeping the certification review moving with our Excel certification review with the menu sales case 7 data file. All right, so number 48 on our review sheet, and we're almost done here, guys. So if you kept up with me this far, let's go ahead and finish it up. On the menu items worksheet, so down here we do have 3 different worksheets, I think, or 2. On the menu items worksheet, merge rows 13 through 18. On the menu category and column 1 columns of the gross sales range. So right here under gross sales, they want us to basically merge this 13 through 18 to form a single, the gross to form a single 5-row column named menu category. So you're going to say merge, and you're going to say merge across, and you're just going to say OK. Alright, and you have now a single column here called menu category. Alright, and that's a tricky one right there, but I've seen that on the test. On the menu items worksheet, change the height of rows 1 and 2 to 30 inches. So we're going to go ahead and select 1 and 2, right click and say row height, and we're going to go ahead and type in 32. Or 30, sorry, not 32. Where did I get 32? Just 30. There you go. Change the name of the menu items worksheet to menu sales. So we're going to right click on the word menu items down here, and we're going to say rename, and we're going to go ahead and say menu sales. Okay. In cell B7 of the documentation worksheet, add a hyperlink to www.morningbeancoffee.ca. Display the text location in the cell. All right. So in the documentation worksheet, in cell B7, right here, we're going to go ahead and right click and say link, with your white cross, link. All right, and let's see, up here, we don't have to change the word location because it already says that. Our display word is going to be location. But down here, we do have to type in morningbeancoffee.ca, www.morningbeancoffee.ca. And make sure you spell that right, and just say OK. All right. Modify both worksheets to fit on a single page. All right. So what you're going to do is go to the page layout tab, and right here where it says height and width, scale to fit, you're going to say 1 page. All right, just like that. On the menu items worksheet in the total sales column, or menu sales worksheet, sorry, need to fix that. Use conditional formatting to apply yellow fill, dark yellow text format to cells that contain values greater than 50,000. All right. So on the menu items worksheet, in the total sales column, so we have lots of different things here, but I don't see any columns that say total sales yet. Total, right there, total sales. All right. Use conditional formatting. So let me go ahead and just select everything. I'm going to go ahead and click in cell D22, which is my first value. Hold Control, hold Shift and the down arrow on my keyboard to select all the cells here because I know this is conditional formatting. It wants me to do a greater than. So I'm going to go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting. Under Highlight Cell Rules, you're going to see greater than. And I'm going to go ahead and type in 50,000. And it wants me to do yellow and dark yellow. And just say OK. Alright, and that's it for part 7 of your review. And then we have one called randoms coming up here.